In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix an iPhone personal hotspot not showing up. So let's just get straight into the video. To fix a missing iPhone personal hotspot, what you want to do is simply go ahead and try to enable and disable your cellular data. Also try toggling an airplane mode, restarting your device, or even updating your iOS device. So if it is still missing, then what you want to do is simply go ahead and head into your settings, just like that. And once you do that, simply head into your general. And finally, once you've done that, all you need to do is simply head into your transfer or reset right over here and click on reset. And now all you need to do is simply go ahead and click on reset network settings. It is as simple as that. And that should go ahead and fix it. But the best thing is going to be by restarting your device. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.